tour today. We are looking at an Amarillo model, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, beautiful landscaping. We are in the Village of Amelia, so real close to Lake Sumter Landing, and neighborhood pools are just down the street. What a great area. So here we are in the living space. Nice big TV, seating for 4. Let's head off to the right. Right hand side of the house, we've got 2 bedrooms and a guest bathroom. A nice bright guest bathroom. We've got the skylight in the top, giving us lots of sunshine. Off to the right, we've got this space that has a Murphy bed. So this can be put back up, and then you've got this wonderful office area. So if you're working from home and you need a space looking out the nice bright window of the front yard. But if you have guests over and you need space for a visitor, look at this fantastic Murphy bed option. Down the hall to the back of the house, we've got another bedroom. Nice big queen 4-poster bed for other guests. So this is available for short-term rental starting April all through the summer. So if you're looking for an opportunity to come to the Villages and just check out what's happening, go on some open house tours, that type of thing, this is a fantastic spot because it's in the middle of everything. Let's go off to the left and then we'll come back. So master bedroom, back left of the house, big king bed, got the TV, dressers, and then redone bathroom, all new pebble flooring, nice bright colors. And then walk-in closet. Lake Sumter, you can take a golf cart over to Lake Sumter Landing and walk down the waterfront or go visit the shops. All these nice countertops here, stainless steel appliances. Beautiful big space. These models are great because you've got open floor plan. Laundry with an entrance to the double car garage and a little pantry area. Brand new HVAC unit, lots of cold air coming through, especially in the summertime. Dining space here, seating for 4. And then look at this beautiful covered lanai with windows so you can shut them down, use this as extra living space, come out and have a coffee, sit out in the evening, read a book, have a glass of wine, nice and private, quiet area. So again, we are in the Village of Amelia, up close to Lake Sumter Landing, not too far from Spanish Springs. Take a golf cart ride down to Brownwood if you like, just an ideal location. So if you're looking for something that you can come and spend a couple weeks, investigate the Villages, and really dive into what the Villages had to offer, this is a fantastic rental. All the information is in the video on how to reach the owners on Rent from a Villager. Hope you enjoyed the tour.